Welcome! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to export stickers from bot chats on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. It's a simple process, but you need to know exactly where the settings are hidden, so let's get right into it. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main page, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where all of your important options are stored. From that menu, head down and select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a lot of categories. What you're looking for is the Advanced section, so go ahead and click on it. Now, scroll down within the Advanced settings until you see Export Telegram Data. This is the built-in feature that allows you to download information from your account directly onto your computer. Click on it to access the export options. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of different types of data you can choose to download. The important step here is to make sure that you only check bot chats, since that's where the stickers from bots are stored. Scroll further down until you find the stickers option and make sure to check that as well. After making sure you have only bot chats and stickers selected, scroll to the bottom and click on Export. Telegram will now start preparing your data. Depending on how many chats and stickers you've collected, this process might take a little while, so be patient while it completes. Once the export is finished, Telegram will display a button that says, Show My Data. Click on it to open the folder where all of your exported files are stored. Inside, you'll find your stickers neatly organized and ready to use outside of Telegram. And that's it. With just a few quick clicks, you've successfully exported stickers from your bot chats directly onto your computer. This new update makes the process straightforward, so now you can easily back up your favorite sticker collections or move them wherever you need. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring more Telegram features because there's a lot hidden in the settings that can make your experience even better.